All right, we're going to walk you through the simple and easy steps to install the filament buffer or the AMS hub. First up, the filament buffer here. There's just two screws. Just line up the first one, screw it on. Don't screw it on all the way tight. Give yourself a little wiggle room so you can adjust, so you can line up that second hole, and then just run in the second screw there. You can use a little power tool like I have here, or a hand driver or something. Doesn't really matter. Just get it nice and snug. Don't over tighten it, okay? It just has to hold it onto the back. The next up is the control and power module. This plugs into the 3D printer itself right there. Then underneath you have to line it up. The tab goes towards the back because whoever designed this failed basic product design 101. It's one of the dumbest things I've seen on a modern product, but it is what it is. So just remember, tab towards the back. Then you've got the connection to the AMS. You just plug it in up on top on the AMS port, and then you come down here and not on the side, over, not on the bottom, over on the side. Plug in the AMS there. You can't mess these two up. One's a 4 plug, one's a 6 plug. Then you take your Bowden tube here, you push it in there, make sure it's nice in the center, get it nice and snug. Once you get in there, give it a little bit of tug, make sure it's secure. Now, as far as hooking it to your printer, blue side first on your coupler, black side facing out. Take your Bowden tube, slide it into that, again, nice and snug. Don't have to do anything too much to this. It's really simple. Then you just take that and slide it into the right side of the filament buffer. Sorry about the bad camera work there. Now let's talk about getting the AMS hub installed. It's essentially the same thing. Don't just ignore the little ports on the back. That kind of confused me for a hot second. They're not involved in this step. Again, it's just the two bolts that you run in there. Line up the first one. I find it's helpful to get your screwdriver on there first and use it as a guide to get it in that first one. Again, don't tighten it all the way so you can get it up there, get that second one lined up, drive that one in. And again, just get it good and snug. It does not have to be clamped on there for its dear life. Take your Bowden tube, slide it into the first hole up there on the top. Then that's going to go up and attach to your AMS. Then you're going to take this here, this is the coupler again. Remember, black going out from the 3D printer, blue going in to the 3D printer. Remember, these, if you don't order them extra, it's okay because they come with these devices. And then this one slots in. This is the same as on the buffer here. You can see it better. Make sure you get it into the center. Give it a quick tug there so you know that it's properly installed. Now, as far as the connection for the control and power, it's the same thing. You can go over or under, whichever way you prefer on this. I decided to go this way with it. Either way works, really. And then you got your connection then to the AMS. That one on this case goes next to it. In both cases, tab out. They fixed the design on the hub, tab out, and then just run that up to your hub and plug it in. Then all we've got left to do here is to go and plug in the power. If you buy the AMS hub, it does come with the power adapter. That's going to allow you to do the heated control, and now you're ready to 3D print.